Hello friends, this is Botany Ramaya. Today I am going to explain about nutrition in protists. Nutrition in protists is of different types. First one is autotrophic or holophytic nutrition. Most of the protists are photosynthetic autotrophs. Photosynthetic autotrophs means they produce their own food. They form the chief producers of food in oceans and in fresh water. Dinoflagellates, diatoms, euglenoids show autotrophic or holophytic nutrition. The next second one is holozoic nutrition. Zooplanktons are mostly predatory. So here zooplanktons means they are small floating or weakly swimming organisms that drift with water currents and with phytoplankton. So zooplanktons are mostly predatory. They show holozoic mode of nutrition as in amoeba. In holozoic nutrition, individual captures and ingests the food like animals. In many protozoans like amoeba and paramecium, the nutrition is holozoic. Next, third one is saprophytic nutrition. In saprophytic nutrition, organisms absorb food from dead organic matter. In slime molds, the type of nutrition is saprophytic nutrition. Next one is parasitic. Some protists are parasitic. They absorb food from the body of other organisms. So parasitic means they depend on other organisms for their food. So they absorb food from the body of other organisms. In Trypanosoma, Plasmodium, and Entamoeba, the nutrition is parasitic. The next fifth one is symbiotic. So fifth one is symbiotic. Some protists are symbionts. In Trichonympha, live as symbionts in the intestine of termites. So here symbiosis means a mutually beneficial relationship between different organisms. So here both the partners are benefited. It is a living phenomenon. The next sixth one is mixotrophic nutrition. Euglena, a protozoan, has two modes of nutrition. In the presence of sunlight, it is autotrophic, and in the absence of sunlight, it is heterotrophic. So this mode of nutrition is called mixotrophic. In Euglena, the nutrition is mixotrophic nutrition. Euglena behave like autotrophs in the presence of sunlight and behave like heterotrophic in the absence of sunlight. So in Euglena, the type of nutrition is mixotrophic. So this is the classification of protists. Photosynthetic autotrophs are chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, euglenoids. Slime molds are consumer or decomposer organisms. Protozoans are parasites. They are divided into 4 groups. Amoeboid protozoans, flagellated protozoans, ciliated protozoans, and fourth one is sporozoans. Amoeba, entamoeba, they are amoeboid protozoans. Trypanosoma is a flagellated protozoans. Paramecium is a ciliated protozoans. Plasmodium is a sporozoan.